My first step is to calculate the length of the missing side of the triangle. As I'm given two sides and it's in closed angle, i.e. the angle between the two given sides, I can apply the cosine formula. When applying the cosine formula to find a missing side, we always label the side we're finding as lowercase a, and the angle directly opposite is always our capital A. I'm now going to label B and C. It doesn't make a difference which one you call B and C, as long as the capital letter is the angle. So if I call that capital B, directly opposite is lowercase b. And if I call this angle capital C, the angle is always the capital letter, therefore directly opposite is the lowercase c. Substituting to my formula, well, A is what I'm finding, so I leave A squared alone on the left-hand side. Here I want B squared. B for me is 10, so B squared will be 10 squared. Plus C squared. C for me is 8, so it's going to be plus 8 squared. Minus 2bc cos A. In between the letters, we know there's multiplication, so minus 2 times B for me is 10, multiplied by C in this case is 8, multiplied by cos of capital A, cos of my capital A, my angle, in this case 114, leaving A squared alone on the left-hand side. Substitute everything on the right into my calculator. That gives us 229.077, etc. As that's A squared, and I want the value of A, I'm now going to square root my 229 number, which equals 15.135, etc. Now I have my length of A. I can now go back and label it on my diagram. As I want to work out the total area of the shape, I'm going to first work out the area of the triangle. I know the area of a triangle is given by a half AB sine capital C, where AB are my two sides, in this case my 8 and my 10. And sine C is the angle that encloses those two sides. Hence the area of the triangle is going to be a half multiplied by 8 times 10, my two sides in any order, multiplied by sine of my enclosed angle, i.e. the angle between the two sides, in this case sine of 114. Substituting to our calculator, that gives an area of the triangle of 36.541, etc. As it's an area and my lengths are in centimetres, therefore my area is in centimetres squared. Now I have the area of the triangle, but I want to work out the total area of the shape. I now need to work out the area of the semicircle with diameter AC. To find the area of a semicircle, we know a semicircle is half a circle, and the area of a full circle is given by pi r squared. Hence, the area of a semicircle will be pi r squared divided by 2. Hence, substituting into our formula, I'm going to have pi multiplied by r squared, where r is our radius. As I know the semicircle has diameter AC, and the length of AC is 15.135. I know the radius is going to be half of the diameter. Hence, my radius will be my 15.135 number divided by 2, which gives my radius r of being 7.567, etc. Now I have my value of r. Substituting into my formula, as I want r squared, therefore it's going to be my 7.567 number, in brackets, squared. I'm then dividing by 2. Substituting into my calculator, that gives the area of the semicircle, comes out to be 89.958, etc. As the lengths are in centimetres, I'm looking at area, therefore the area will be therefore in centimetres squared. Finally, as I want the total area of the shape, I'm going to add the area of my triangle and the area of my semicircle together. Substituting into our calculator, that gives the total area of the shape to be 126.5 centimetres squared